What if your AI model could search documents like Google before answering questions? That's exactly what RAG does. And today we'll build it using ChromaDB. So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll create a simple RAG demo using ChromaDB and Python. So in this video, we'll cover store documents inside a vector database, convert text into embeddings, perform semantic search, and retrieve relevant context based on user queries. So this is one of the core concepts behind modern AI assistant and enterprise chatbots. So let's get started with today's demo, where I'll showcase a demo app which is written in Python. So let me give you a brief overview about the demo application, what it does. Yeah, so it will first basically import the libraries, which are ChromaDB libraries and the sentence transformer libraries. Basically, the Chroma library for the vector database and the sentence transformers for converting into embeddings. Then we'll create the client. Then we'll create the collection. Then we'll upload simple documents into the ChromaDB. And based on that, we'll trigger a query. Yeah. Then we'll load these embeddings models. Then the generation of these models will come into place. Then the documents will be stored into the ChromaDB, which is basically acting as a vector DB. And at last, basically, we will trigger a query, and accordingly, it will give us a response, or in terms of it will retrieve the information from the vector database, which is ChromaDB. Yeah. So this was the overview about in terms of the code, a demo app. So I have prepared this page, which I'll share in the description, and you all can test at your end. Okay, so this will be in terms of the expected output as per the query. So let's see this in action in the demo. Okay, so let me open my terminal. We have this demo app, which I already have cloned at my system. Let me show you what are the dependent libraries which it will install. So the dependent libraries are ChromaDB, sentence transformers, and PySQLite 3. Okay, and we have the demo app, which I showed. Yeah, so this is the demo app. And let's now run this application and see what query we have given and what response it gives. And that basically based on RAG, as well as it aligns with the vector database. So let's see what response comes. Okay, so we have seen the response where we have given the query in the demo app or in the code as how many work from home days are allowed. Yeah, so this is basically, this is a common query which any employee asks within an organization. Yeah, so RAG basically, as I discussed in the earlier video, that RAG basically created for the organizations, or basically if you have any documents, have any blog articles, and if you want to search any query from the document, that can be company document, or that can be other perspective as well. Yeah. So from that document, from that PDF, you can search the query, and the RAG will basically give you the answer, which it will combine with the vector database. So as per our query, it returns the response, or it basically retrieves the query from the document. So it says basically employee can work from home 2 days per week as per what is the policy defined in the document for the company or so. Yeah. And then the annual leave policy allows 24 paid day leaves per year. So there can be more such queries based on any employee, right? Or if you are working in the organization, so you might have the same query or different query. Yeah. So this basically what gives as a security perspective to any organization, where any employee basically asks a query uh, from from the chatbot or from the HR, right? So this is the simplest way in the AI space, um, where the employee can ask query from the chatbot and he can get the response within the organization. Yeah, so this is one use case of it. Okay, so this was today's demo of RAG, and I'll create a next demo based on other use cases on the RAG pipeline. Yeah. Till then, stay tuned, keep learning, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.